To some international updates, Donald Trump has moved Supreme Court of United States to challenge the ban imposed on him in Colorado. This comes as Colorado top court last month barred Donald Trump from running for president in the state. The court accused him of engaging in insurrection over the 2021 U.S. Capitol riots. His appeal comes a day after he challenged a similar decision by the top election official in Maine. Dipali is joining us on this. Dipali, Donald Trump appealing to U.S. Supreme Court to overturn ballot ban in Colorado. A lot of legal challenges as far as Trump's run for the White House is concerned.
Well, that's correct. It is election season not just in India, but also in the United States. In fact, Democrats are fighting their election on why not to vote for Trump rather than why to vote for Joe Biden. And as you correctly mentioned, Trump has now challenged the move in Colorado as well as Maine. Earlier, he did that in Maine, and now he has challenged the ban that was imposed on him in Colorado. But important to note is the point over here that Maine is a much closely fought battle when it is compared to Colorado. However, both of these states were won by Democrats in the last election. There are other states like Michigan and Minnesota where the appeal against Donald Trump has already been dismissed by the courts. But these developments, as they come, they may impact a voter's mood or a voter's choice, but they will still not materialize because of a couple of reasons. Number one is the point that the legal process is still going on. Number two, 14th Amendment that is being used to invoke insurrection charges on Donald Trump. They do not mention the word presidency. They only say that an officer in the United States. So this is the weakest argument that is being used by the Donald Trump team. And then ultimately the case will go to Supreme Court, which is leaning towards the conservatives. It has a 6-3 majority in favor of the conservatives. And another important point to note over here is that Donald Trump has still not been proven guilty in any of the states of the United States. However, as we all know, even as Donald Trump skips all Republican debates, even as Democrats accuse him of insurrection, he continues to be the most favorite candidate and the front runner for the presidential elections.
Certainly. Thank you, Dipali, for putting this in perspective. A lot of legal challenges ahead for Donald Trump, but he continues to be favorite.